How's it going, guys? So in today's video, I'm going to be walking you through how we, manage email marketing project at Smart E-commerce, and I'm going to be walking you through the system we use, the processes, and how we put everything together for our email marketing clients. So this system can apply to you if you're a freelancer, an agency owner, or even an e-com store owner yourself. You can, easily use the same template I'm about to show you and use the same system to manage your email marketing project. So there are lots of tools out there. There are lots of project management tools. We have ClickUp, we have Monday.com, we have Notion and all of that. But we find ClickUp to work really well for us and our clients. And we've been using this for the past 3 years right now that I've been running my agency. And like I said, I'm going to be walking you through everything step by step in this video. So I prepared the template for the purpose of this video, just to walk you through everything. And also, if you stick with me to the end of this video, I have a free gift for you, which is the 2024 email marketing calendar kit. So I'm going to be giving you this at the end of this video. You want to make sure you stick to the end of this video to be able to access these templates. So without further ado, let's dive in. The first one, the first thing you're gonna see here, obviously this is template one, but this will be, named for the client. If you're a freelancer or an agency in this case, you just basically want to rename it. And if it's a brand owner, if you're a brand owner, you want to, name that email marketing project or whatever works for your team. So this is just the template here. And the first thing you're gonna see here is project outline. So for us, whenever we onboard a new client, we have the project outline based on what we discussed on the onboarding. Even though in most cases they're always the same for each client, which is like templated, but nevertheless we still customize it a little bit. So here you can see the phase one, which is basically what we are doing in the phase one. So in this case, we're setting up the welcome flow, abandon cart, browse abandonments, post purchase flow, first time customer specifically, replenishment flow, and we send a couple of email campaigns in the first phase. So this is phase one. Phase two is basically building more flows, building more post purchase flows, and more high level flows on the phase two, and the phase three as well. Where we do more stuff on the email side, advanced segmentation, VIP email, reveal all existing flows and all of that. So like I said, this is subject to change. This can change for you, for your clients, whatever. But this is just the simple phases that we use to map out the project outline. So the next thing you're gonna see here is content ideas. So one of the things we do, and I think one of the things we do regarding email campaign is, we have our email strategies that just, look for email content ideas. So we, go to their Instagram page, look at their industry, and just use that to map out content ideas. And again, as you can see here, these are just lots of content ideas for this particular brand. So it's a skincare brand, and we just come up with lots of content ideas, and we use those ideas to map out their email campaign calendar, right? So that's the content ideas there. This is where we list all the ideas. And the next one is email and SMS campaign calendar. So like I said, we use the content ideas that we came up with. We use it to map out the email and SMS campaign calendar. So you can see here, we just put all the email campaigns there, and we use the calendar view. So you just want to click on calendar view. But if you're using this for the first time, you might not see the calendar view. You just want to click on plus view, and that's going to give you the calendar view here, which you can easily just click on, and that will show you the calendar view. Then, like I said, you want to use the content ideas that you came up with, and you want to use that to plan your campaign calendar. But like I said, if you stick with me to the end of this video, I'm going to be giving you our content email campaign calendar template that you can easily use it to create your own email campaign calendar. So that's for the campaign calendar there. And optimization. So when it comes to managing an email account, obviously there's always things to optimize, right? But if you don't have everything written down, if you don't have everything mapped out, it can be difficult for you to know what you're doing and what's next to optimize, right? So this is where we list our campaign optimization. So what are we doing? basically A/B test, sense of it. So basically, it's just like writing down things we can optimize based on our weekly and monthly audit. Our resources. So this is basically where we put all the resources for the brand. So in this case, we have the onboarding document. So whenever we sign a new client, we have an onboarding document where everything about the brand is just in this resources section. And we have the creative assets. So this could be the Google Doc or any other document or whatever they put all their creative assets like photos, videos about the brand. So this is where we have that here under resources. Instagram comments and social proof. This might not apply to every brand, but this is just an example from one of our clients where, one of the things we do is like we go to the brand Instagram page, right? So we look at all the comments on their Instagram, the positive comments, and we take those comments, we apply it in our email flows and campaigns, as a social proof. And this is also where we put Instagram comments here, so under resources. The next one is notes. So, you might have a note about that brand. You might have something you want to write down about them. And this is basically where we just, list all the notes and things we think we might want to ask the team or the founder of this brand. So we just basically list it on the note. And the next one is question for next meeting. So similar to notes, you have any question you want to ask the client, you don't want to wait for the next meeting before you start, mapping out those things. For us, we always write those things down before the next meeting. So we know exactly what to talk about on our next call with the client. So this is where we write questions for the next meeting. Again, this might not apply for your particular situation, but for this particular example here, we have the new product launch strategy. So for this brand at this time, where they wanted to launch a new product, so we kind of like use this same ClickUp to map out their product launch strategy. The next one here is monthly reports. So, we create reports and we basically just upload the reports here. So for us, we just like to keep things in the same place, make sure everything is well arranged, and so we are not just messy and having everything everywhere. So we have all the monthly reports here in this ClickUp dashboard, and the clients can easily find it. We also send it by email, but it's here on ClickUp, and the client or the team can easily find it on ClickUp. A/B test tracker. So we also have our A/B test tracker here. This is launched on Google Sheet, by the way. So if you want to see a video of how we use A/B test tracker, I'm going to link the video up here. You can watch the video on how I implement our A/B test and how we track our A/B test. But this is where we have the A/B test tracker, and like I said, we just have everything in one place to make it easily accessible for the team members, for the clients, for the brand team as well. So we just have everything on ClickUp to make it easily accessible for everybody on this team. So Black Friday strategy, like I said, this might not be relevant for your situation, but again, we just like to have things mapped out and we know exactly what we are doing. So this is the Black Friday strategy that we came up for this brand. So this is not really difficult to use. Like I said, we find this to work really, really well for us. So if you're looking for a product management tool that can serve yourself and your team, you can use this simple template that I have here and use it to map out your project management tool. But just to give you an idea of how that works in terms of like team management, so I'm going to use the email campaign, which is most times that you're going to be needing a couple of team members to work on something for you. So here, so let me use this as an example. So let's say you want to work on this particular campaign. So the first thing is the account manager basically plan out the content calendar. Here you can see plan out the theme. Then the copywriter writes the content here. All right, so we have this structure that we use to put the content together. Then as soon as that is done, the copywriter is going to tag the graphic designer here, tag the relevant team member, just leave a comment saying the copy is ready. If you don't want to use something like this, you can also just upload a Google Doc or whatever doc you use. You can just simply upload that here for your copy. And like I said, it's just so easy to use. You can easily tag the relevant team member here, leave your comments, and they will see the comments. Similar to your clients, you can easily tag the clients here and the client will see the comments as well. So that is how we use ClickUp to manage our clients. Very, very, very easy tool to use. And this is not me endorsing ClickUp or saying other tools are bad, but like I said, we found ClickUp to work easily well for us, and we've been using this for the past 3 years, and it's been a game changer for our agency. So if you want to use ClickUp, just follow this process, and again, you can add anything else you want, but this is the simple templates that we use to plan our email marketing project. So the email campaign calendar kit, I'm going to leave the link in the description. You can use the link to access these templates, and you can find lots of email examples, and as well as the copy. Everything is pre-written for you. Just click the first link in the description to access this email calendar template. So that'll be it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. And if you're a brand owner and you'd like us to help you take care of your email and SMS marketing, there's going to be a link in the description. You can use the link to book a call with me, or just shoot me a message on Instagram at Habeeb on Instagram. And I would love to speak with you on how we can help you increase your sales and profits using the power of email and SMS marketing. So that'll be all. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.